things have been explained to you. No one is bigger than Jesus. No one is greater like him. They put him with the gun. They wanted to assess the power. They took the when they took the ark, the glory was removed from the ark. Even the glory was removed. But to put him in one house with the God made him to fight. Even if the glory was removed, the Philistines came to check their God. They saw his God scattered. They tried to assemble him. They put him with the ark of God. When they came the ark of God, he was scattered all over. They saw that this God is so powerful.